and welcome to Session 3, Red Flags and Failure Points. This session will give you a preview of the potential red flags and failure points that we see on a large number of engagements. My name is Tom, and I will be guiding you through the session. During the health check process, we utilize a number of historical sets of information to help us evaluate potential risks on the project. The input from the project team and artifacts, along with this information, help us triangulate into potential risks on your projects. You will note that we use project observations and impacts from previous jobs, a historical perspective on top challenges, certain repeatable challenges we see on most projects, and also we have a list of project red flags and failure points. You will not see all of these on your project, but when we start to see some of those, we'll use those as information for the analysis. One of the big ones that we see quite often is data. That can be around data migration, cleansing and harmonization, consolidation of data from multiple systems, constructing the data, and so forth. That, along with a master data governance strategy, are two that we see quite often. Resources. Do you have the right number of resources, both in your team and from the partner? Do they have the right capabilities and knowledge? Most importantly, do they have the capacity to do the work? We also like to see a continuous learning culture where you, the customer, is learning about the solution and understanding how everything works. Next is readiness. Is there a clear testing end-to-end process during integration testing? Just not a happy path testing. Is there a good cutover and deployment approach? Are the end users trained? Is the business ready and understand what changes are going to occur? And is there a support model in place with the proper knowledge transfer to either a AMS partner or to your team? Next, do you have the right level of end user training? Is the business readiness plan in place? And as we said before, the right level of knowledge transfer. Strategy. Are the expectations that are set and the outcomes aligned? Are you tracking the value of your proposed benefits? Are all stakeholders aligned with the issues and impacts and helping to assist resolve those? And do you have a good governance structure in place that is constantly monitoring and helping the team? During the design build, is everyone aligned on the design? Is it a process transformation? Is it a fit to standard? And if it is a fit to standard, what are you doing to evaluate that with the business to make sure that you meet all of their requirements in a reasonable manner? And then finally, program management. Is there a good governance structure? Does everyone understand the guiding principles? Is the IT team and business team aligned? Do you have proper alignment with your main partner, SAP, and your IT and business team? Thank you for joining the session today. Again, this was a very high-level review of some of the red flags. A deeper dive will occur on additional sessions that you can find in our link below.